Hi, in front of me is Cyrus S40 Freestyle, and today I want to show you how to set up your screen lock. First thing you need to do is tap Settings, then scroll down, choose Security, click Screen Lock and select one of the options: Swipe, Pattern, PIN or Password. I will go with Pattern. Then choose Require Pattern to start device. Draw your symbol, continue, draw it again and confirm. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to be displayed? Choose one of the options. I will choose Don't Show Notifications at All and click Done. Now when you block your screen, pattern will be required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Bye!